Good afternoon, I'm Chris from Sussex Caravan Centre, and the idea this afternoon is I'm going to show you the operation of this particular model of Thetford fridge. Right, the power on off switch for the Thetford fridge is a little grey button, and we're going to turn it on, which is going to operate the digital screen. So this is the screen that we're going to get up. This particular fridge will work on battery, which is off the vehicle, which you're towing with. We've also got the gas, and we've also got the 240 system. Now at the moment we've got the blue light flashing. The fridge is actually set on the battery system, which means we're not hooked up to the car and the vehicle's not running. Now this gives us a warning code of a spanner and a number 10. As soon as we start the vehicle engine, the spanner will disappear and the light will stay on, and we know that we're operating the fridge from the vehicle. The battery side of the fridge will not bring you down to temperature. It will only keep you at the temperature that the fridge is already down to. So i.e., if you were going to go away on a Friday and you wanted a cold fridge, you'd bring it down on gas or electricity 24 hours before you go. Then on towing the vehicle, we'd have the master switch off, we'd have the fridge on battery, we'd get to site, and the fridge would still be holding the temperature we brought it down to. Now to operate your power sources, we can scroll through the digital screen with a large button. One push, two push, we're now on the gas system. Now at the moment this particular van hasn't got any gas on at all, so what will happen is we will get eventually the blue light flashing, we will get another spanner, and I think it's a number 8, which means that the fridge hasn't been able to fire up on gas. Now if we're on a 240 system, we can scroll through it again with a large button on the left, and we come down to electric hookup, which is the plug symbol. Now as you can probably just see that we are now spanner number 8, the blue light is flashing. That means that we're not hooked up to electricity on site, or we've forgotten to turn the post on. Now that is the basic operation of the fridge. We can adjust the temperature control with a large button on the right, which scrolls up through our graph, and that will set the temperature of the fridge. Now the temperature setting all depends on what the climate's doing outside, i.e. in this instance it is exactly the same thing as we have in our kitchens at home. It's an electric fridge. To turn the fridge off, we're going to hold the silver button in and the power goes off on the fridge. Now as I said, the fridge will operate on gas, it will apply electricity. Now if you want to bring your fridge down quickly and you're in a hurry, if you put gas on first, gas is more efficient to bring things down in temperature, and once it's down to a temperature and you're on site and you're paying site fees, which means you're paying for your electricity, then you might consider swapping it over onto the 240 electric side.